Hi, in this video we will see how this requirement module works in Tenjin Online. So the requirement module is nothing but attaching the BRD documents or the requirement documents from the client side into Tenjin Online so that we can map it to your bots or your test cases so that we can come to a conclusion that we are in line with the flow that is going on or the project that is going on. So for that we have to go for requirements, and here we will be able to add the requirements. So to start with, if it is an empty place, it will be like this. To start with adding requirements, you can click on add requirements. You can give a requirement name. I'll be just giving it as requirement 1, and I'll just give it a summary as basic uh, check basic check requirement, and description is an optional where you can define what is this requirement is about, and you can give an expected date. So expected date is of Monday of August I can give, and you can, as this uploading of a document is an optional one where you can upload it or upload it later as well. So what I will do, I'll just show this and I'll create one requirement, and I will show how the uploading of document can happen later as well. So here, once the requirement is created, this is how this requirement page will look, where you can see what are all cases that has been linked for this particular requirement, and you'll be able to see the properties of the requirement. So the documents, if you want to upload, you can upload it here. You can link one requirement to another requirement. If there is a dependency between one or two requirements, you can have that linked requirements here as well. So for example, I'll click on upload document, I'll click on browse, and I'll be able to add a requirement module. For example, I have one BRD document for lending, so I'll just add it and I will upload it. So this is how this uploading of document will appear, and once uploaded, so if any other person uploads, the other person will be able to download it and use it as well. So this is one, and you can link requirements if there is one more requirement like basic check requirement 2, and you can, if there is a dependency, then you'll be able to link those two requirements as well, and you can add more than one document to a particular requirement. And to edit the properties of the requirement, we can click on this edit button, and we'll be able to change the requirement name, status of the requirement, summary, available for testing or not, and everything. So here you can check the name. So here for status we have active, on hold, or obsolete. So whether it is, can be actively used, or it is on hold for the testing, or is it not needed. And this is the summary, and available for testing or not can also be given. So if it is yes, then this requirement can be taken for testing and can be tested, or if it is no, it is not needed to be taken. So description is again optional, and we will be able to give an expected date when we are creating it, but when we are editing it, you will be able to have a give an actual date. For example, if a 5th is the expected date, but due to some delay it has been postponed or something, it has come to 9th, so you can give it as actual delivery date is on 9th for this requirement, and you can change the document for this also, and you can click on update. So in this way you'll be able to see how the status or everything is getting updated. So we'll be able to see who created this requirement, when was this last updated, and what was the actual date, expected days, whether it is available for a testing, and everything you'll be able to see here. So for example, if you want to change the status of this requirement, you can click on edit, and you can put it for hold and update it. So on hold will be in gray, and obsolete will be in orange color. So you'll be able to see these changes in this one. So this is as far as the requirement module is considered. Requirement module comes into picture when the test design comes into picture. So we will see how test design also works on this requirement module. So that comes in another part of the video. So for this this is as far as the video is considered. So this is how, this is the basic requirement, or the requirement module is considered. Thank you.